side we need to validate before proceeding next steps?
Obviously, you need to validate. There are a lot of factors will be there. What exactly you are receiving from the ECC. Suppose you are receiving the handling units. You need to check the handling units that you are receiving the same handling units or not to the EWM. You are receiving the transportation unit from the TM system is the integration part. Okay, you are receiving the TU means transportation TU number, vehicle number plus your carrier number. That part also you can check. This TU means one TU will be there here, and the TU is ready. It means that TU is, so this is after information. Okay, don't worry about this one. So all this, each and every tab represents, very few very important things actually. Each and every tab here in the item level, every tab. And if you see items, you can see item level one of the material status tab. You can see status of the prospective inbound. How you see all the statuses tab, dates and times. How do you see this one line? Locations. How do you see these locations? It based on what, guys? It's based on the profiles. Whatever you see here, one line, two lines, you can see advanced shipping notification, ERP document, ERP document. Okay, you can see the quantities, mass, weight, everything. So how you are getting all these things? How system is updating the information in EWM? ECC system is gathering all the information from the inbound. System is taking all the information. Okay, and system is trying to update in the EWM inbound delivery. Each and every information what is required, it is updating the information through what? Through profiles. Through profiles. Where are the profiles, guys? What do you mean by the profiles? What do you mean by profiles? In the EWM system, I showed you the configuration for the goods receipt. Configuration for the goods receipt. Goods receipt process. Inbound delivery. In inbound delivery, if you go to define document types for inbound process and define item types for the inbound delivery process. Define document types and define item types for the inbound delivery process. Let me go to the document types. Which document type we are, guys, now? We are the document type of what? INB. Right. Document type of INB. Right. Now, which one we should consider now here? INB PDI. This one, right? INB PDI. PDI represents what, guys? PDI represents inbound delivery. There are two inbounds. One is inbound delivery notification and one is inbound delivery. Okay. Now this inbound delivery. If I open this one, guys, details. Click on this one and open the details, guys. Can you see what are the profiles here there, guys? What are the profiles? Action profile, status profile, text profile, field condition profile, date profile. Date profile means how system is updating this date information. Profiles is based on the profiles. Now, just go here. Status profile, if you see. Rarely you touch these configurations. Normally you will not touch these configurations, but rarely. It's a one-time activity. You will touch it, and after that you will not touch it. Go back. So I have taken the status profile. Go back. Go to item type, guys. Define item types for the inbound deliveries. What is my item type, guys? What is my item type? IDLV, right? IDLV. Sometimes it will be issue. Don't worry. Dummy system, right? IDLV. IDLV. Okay. Now here go to IDLV. Item type is what? IDLV. IDLV. Now can you see? IDLV, PDI, DLV, IDLV, IDR, DL. Which one I should take now? Which one I should take now? IDLV, IDR or IDLV, PDI?
PDI.
Why
PDI
PDI?
is for inbound delivery.
What do you mean by IDR?
Notification.
IDR is for notification, inbound delivery.
IDR is for the inbound delivery notification. What is the T code to open the notification, guys? Normally for inbound delivery notification. What the T code? Sorry?
VL06I. VL06I.
This is an EWM, okay. This is EWM, not ECC. What the T code to open the inbound delivery, guys? Not notification. That inbound delivery. If you want to open the inbound delivery, what the T code? Inbound delivery T code, guys.
/n/SCWM/PRDI.
/PRDI. If I open the notification of inbound delivery, how I can open?
IDN.
IDN. Inbound delivery notification. IDN. SEWM IDN. Okay. Now I have to open the inbound delivery. Here can you see, guys? Profiles. Partner profile, status profile, field condition profile. The same thing will be there. I am taking the status profile again because status tab I want to check. I want to check the status tab. Now I have item level profile. I have header level profile also. I have header level also profile also. I have. Okay, means this tab, status tab, status tab. Okay, I have the profiles now. Header level I have taken, item level also I have taken the profile for the status tab. Okay, now where I should go? Go to the cross process settings. In the EWM system only, cross process settings. Go to here. Delivery warehouse request. Go to here, delivery warehouse request. Go to here. Let's wait. General settings, process codes. Okay. Go to status management here. To status management. Define status profiles. My status profile is so search with respect to your status profile. So this is my status profile. SCDL PRD underscore standard is my status profile. This is the profile I am using. This is the PRD. Now select this one. Go here. Okay. Can you see here, guys, what and all we have? In the status profile, what and all I have here now? For archiving, planning put away, blocked. What do you mean by status, guys? Tell me what is the meaning of status? What is the meaning of status?
State
Progress.
of activity, progress.
Now, you receive the inbound to EWM. System should check the status every time, right? When it is unloaded, when it is GR completed, okay, when it is planned for put away. Can you see? When the GR is started, when the GR is completed, when the packing got started, when the packing is completed, when the put away is started, when the put away is completed. Can you see status in the inbound delivery? Can you see? For archiving, can you see? Blocked inconsistency, Why this is not showing, guys? Planned put away is not showing. Why I don't see planned put away here? I can see in the configuration planned put away is there, but in the front end system I don't see the planned put away. Why?
Inactive is there.
It's inactive.
It's inactive. It's inactive. How can I see? Blocked, completion, plan unloading, put away, plan unloading, goods received, put away, picking. So what all status you can see, and what status you want to see, and what status you don't want to see. All this will be controlled through what, guys? All this will be controlled through what?
Profile setting.
Profiles. In generally, we'll call it as normally field selection. In ECC, we'll call it as field selection normally. Okay. Here there is no field selection. We'll call it as a profiles. Profiles will know that which field to show, which field not to show, and based on that, system will show the respective things, respective activities. Okay. Now I told for only for status tab, guys. Now are you able to check for other tabs? Are you able to check for other tabs or not?
Yeah, for every tab we have status.
What you should do first of all, if you wanted to check for other tab, example partner tab, if I want to check, what I need to check first of all? What I have to check if I want to go to partner tab?
We have to check that first what profile is being maintained for this partner.
Where you will check that? Simple thing. Where you will check this? The document types, right? Where you get the profiles? You told you need to check the profile for the partner. Where you will find the profile for the partner?
At
Which
document type.
configuration? Document type, right? Document type and item type. You can check this profile, right? Got it?
Yep.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
So now we are clear with the profiles. What are profiles? This is a very important. You need to practice, guys. Okay, after completing the class, go to profiles, check for the profiles, and if you have access, try to change few of the profiles inactive, active, do some activities, and try to test it, how it is working. Very important to test it. Okay. Now, I would like to show you the IDN also, inbound delivery notification, how it looks. So whenever I create, it will come to inbound delivery directly. Can I stop it? Yes, I can stop it. For that, what I should do, I need to remove one of the configuration, not one of the setting I should remove. Is what is my supply chain unit?
JUPL.
JUPL, right? Only JUPL.
Yeah, only JUPL.
Okay, JUPL. I'll go to alternative and I will remove this as receiving warehouse, or else I can remove alternative warehouse is not there. Okay, remove the goods received. Let's see. Okay, testing purpose. Later one delivery. Let me save it. So this delivery got created, got distributed to EWM system. 4396 is the delivery. 4396. Okay. 4396. No. Okay. Now I'm going to inbound AV notification. In the inbound AV notification, what is the T code, guys? SEWM IDN. SEWM IDN. It will not show, but if you want to come to T code, you need to go to /n/SEWM/IDN inbound AV notification. Or else you can click directly here, or else you want to go SEWM IDN also, you can go. Same skins will come. Okay. Now you need to select find what, guys? Find inactive inbound deliveries. Can you see? Inbound deliveries not activated. So give your inbound delivery number, guys. 1800 4396. 4396. Okay, execute, guys. Can you see, guys? Inactive GR. I remove the goods receipt from the supply chain unit, means system not finded the GR office. Where exactly they should do the GR, system they didn't find it. Now what I should do? I need to confirm that this will happen in the respective plant only. I need to activate it manually. Every time I should activate it manually. If I don't keep supply chain unit, I need to activate it. Once you activate, what will happen, guys? Save it. Once you save it, what will happen, guys? Can you see? Field header receiving office location number is a required field for the action. Got it? Receiving office is mandatory digitalling. System is not able to find the receiving office. What I should do now to maintain the receiving office? I need to maintain now. I try to activate. Okay. Activate it. Okay, done. Can you see? Let me save it. It's not reading the data. Okay. It should read okay normally, but it's not reading now. What I can do, I can create a new one actually. Few things don't work in the dummy system. Okay. Now in this case, it should read the data actually. Nine seven. Four three 9 7. Execute. Can you see, guys? We have the red inbound delivery. We can see now. Okay. Now you got to know about the inbound delivery notification and inbound also, right? What this number range, guys? What is this one? What is this number? What is this number? How this number came into picture?
Inbound delivery which is assigned to EW.
Inbound delivery
Number ranges.
Number created by EWM for inbound delivery.
number ranges for the EWM inbound delivery. This inbound you cannot see anywhere. Okay. Now in the EWM configuration, number ranges for inbound deliveries and outbound delivery orders. Can you see, guys, here? We can see number ranges here.
It means a new number will be created for each inbound delivery in EWM. Am I correct?
Yeah, obviously. You cannot be repeated, right? Okay, even that it is a part of cutover. Okay, I should not show the config of that. It's a part of cutover. You should do the cutover activity, number ranges and all. Okay, so inbound delivery is clear for you. How inbound will be created, how the document types will be triggered, how the mapping will be done, how the fields will get updated, which field, how many fields, what is the IDN. So are you clear on the inbound delivery part? Any questions on the inbound delivery part? Now you can ask. Any questions? No questions on the inbound delivery part? Can I continue with the half an hour, one more one small concept?
Ram, in case of the ECC outbound delivery, that also create the inbound delivery in the EWM, right?
I didn't get you.
For the sales order, how this will trigger that?
Yes, yes, same logic. Same logic. Okay. In the ECC system, you have what? in that case?
Outbound delivery.
Okay,
Document
in the
type
EC
and
system for inbound, what do you have? For PO, what do you have?
against the PO, we have the inbound delivery, and for the sales order, we have that outbound delivery.
Exactly. And the logic to distribute is same, okay? Logic to distribute is same. It will check the respective plant and storage location, respective warehouse, and it will distribute to EWM. Okay?
Hmm.
Logic is same.